Let's see how we can earn money with Swagbucks. Go to the website and sign up by using your email. When you verify your email, you will get $0.05 bonus. So please check your mail and verify. There are 3 ways to earn Swagbucks here. After completing profile, you will get 5 Swagbucks. Second option is answering questions. And third option is earn by refer. There are 7 Swagbucks at the beginning. Remember, 100 Swagbucks equivalent to $1 in cash or free gift cards. We are going to complete profile and earn more 5 Swagbucks. You have to answer all these questions and it's very easy to complete profile. We have been credited 5 Swagbucks and now there are 12 in total. This is the second option, as I said before, to earn more Swagbucks by answering questions. We can earn 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions. We earned 2 Swagbucks, you can see. So continue answering questions to earn more. There is another way to earn. Go to the Discover Home section. There are more offers to complete, and you will receive more Swagbucks. There are games to play, and after reaching levels you will earn more and more. But, do you think it's easy to earn by just playing the games? Let's check. There are so many games, and we can see how many Swagbucks we can earn. I am going to select Diamond Treasure Puzzle Game. We have to complete level 10 to receive 24 Swagbucks. And after complete all 40 levels, we can earn 446 Swagbucks. You have to provide your email again to get the download link. I downloaded the game and played 2 days to complete level 10. I earned 44 Swagbucks. You can earn more by ordering. We can check another offer. Here we have to join with Grab Points and Earn Points. You will receive 600 Swagbucks. So this is the way you can earn money online with Swagbucks. You have to work hard to get a good income. If you like to join with Swagbucks, please click the link below in the description. Subscribe the channel, and let's find more ways to earn.